Hello dear students, you are lucky to be watching this video because you are going to learn 20 adverbs that we do use in our daily lives. Hari igihe wumva ushaka kuvuga ngo mvugishije ukuri nari mfite ubwoba. Uti mvugishije ukuri ese tubivuga gute? Cyangwa se uti nta gushidikanya kubera kose uyu munsi araza kare, nta gushidikanya uyu munsi araza kare. Cyangwa se ukumva ushaka kuvuga ngo hafi uko biri kose urugendo rutwara hafi amasaha abiri, uko biri kose tuzagerayo rutwaye hafi amasaha atatu. Cyangwa se ugashaka kuvuga ngo mu busanzwe n'undi asanzwe akererwa, so tugiye kuba twiga mwene izo adverbs. Gusa mbere yuko dutangira ndagira ngo nkwibutse yuko nimba uzi ko nawe uri mu bantu bajya bahora n'ikibazo cy'uko hari igihe ushaka gusoma ijambo ariko ugasanga ntabwo uzi uburyo barisoma. Hari igihe uhora n'ijambo ukibaza nk'iri jambo barisoma gute koko, ugasanga iryo jambo uhise urivaho utamenye uburyo barisoma. So kuri website yacu twamaze kubashiraho microphone igiye kujya ibafasha just muri pronunciation. Nimba uhuye n'ijambo kumva rirakomeye, iryo jambo rifate urijyane muri vocabularies room. Baza kubibona muri room ya vocabulary, aho uri buze gukanda kuri kano ka microphone, then uratubona aho gushira ijambo, ukande hano kuri pronounce, then ubone uburyo ijambo risomwamo, yaba ari muri British English cyangwa se muri American English. Ikindi nkwibutsa yuko turi kwigisha Icyongereza, tukaba dutanga amahirwe cyangwa se umwihariko wacu akaba ari uko dutanga amahirwe ku muntu w'umutangizi, just ku muntu utari kuri level imwe n'iy'abandi. Hari igihe usanga abantu bari muri class imwe ariko badahuje level, so twebwe ibyo ntabwo tubyemera. Twita ku munyeshuri ku giti cye, cyane iyo nta wundi muntu muhuje level, kuko iyo mudahuje levels birabangama, uko biri kose hari ubangamira. So dutanga amahirwe nk'ayo ku muntu w'umutangizi utari gusa iyo ugeze kuri level yo gutangira kuganira, nibwo tuhita tukujyana muri group aho tuba dutoreza abandi kuganira mu Cyongereza. Kwibutsa yuko link ya website uri bisangemo aho hasi. Ikindi niba wifuza gutangira kwigana natwe uranyandikira kuri izi nimero, ndetse niba ushaka no kuza muri group ya WhatsApp urajya muri comment section, naho urahasanga link. Niho link zose ziri muri comment section. So tudatinze reka dutangire. So tugiye guhera kuri iyi adverb. Kwibutsa yuko adverb iba isobanura action, ibisobanura igikorwa, adverb. Then tugiye kwiga adverbs zigera muri 20 dukoresha mu buzima bwacu bwose bwa buri munsi. Izi adverbs uzazikenera mu buzima bwawe bwose bw'Icyongereza. Reka dutangire. Actually, hano dufite I actually know him. Iyo tuvuze ngo I know him, uvuze ngo ndamuzi. Ariko iyo uvuze ngo I actually know him, uvuze ngo mu by'ukuri ndamuzi. Ni ukuvuga ngo iyi actually iri gusobanura iyi know. I actually know him, mu by'ukuri ndamuzi. She was actually right. Ni ukuvuga ngo dukuyemo iyi actually twavuga ngo she was right, yari ari mu kuri. Hano twashiramo iyi actually twavuga ngo she was actually right. Ubwo turata tuvuga ngo biba bishatse kuvuga ngo mu by'ukuri yari ari mu kuri. Tukajya hano kuri suddenly. Suddenly it started raining, mu buryo butunguranye. Suddenly mu buryo butunguranye. It started raining, imvura yatangiye kugwa mu buryo butunguranye. Hari igihe ubura ahantu ukumva imvura tayari yamaze kugera hasi. Icyo gihe suddenly it started raining, ni ukuvuga ngo mu buryo butunguranye yatangiye kugwa. He suddenly stood up, yahagurutse bitunguranye. Twese twari twicaye tujya kubona arahagurutse. Ni ukuvuga ngo he suddenly stood up, yahagurutse bitunguranye. Tukajya hano kuri usually. Usually ni akenshi. Urugero, I usually wake up early. Dukuyemo iyi usually twavuga ngo I wake up early. mbyuka kare. Gusa nidushiramo usually tuba tuvuze ngo akenshi mbyuka kare. Usually akenshi mbyuka kare. I usually wake up early. Akenshi mbyuka kare. Then they usually eat together. Iyo mvuze ngo they eat together nkuyemo iyi usually mba mvuze ngo barasangira cyangwa se barira hamwe. They eat together. Barira hamwe cyangwa se barasangira. Then nashiramo usually, they usually eat together. Akenshi barasangira cyangwa se akenshi barira hamwe. Hano hakaza finally. We finally reached home. Amaherezo twageze mu rugo cyangwa se byarangiye tugeze mu rugo. Nyuma na nyuma twageze mu rugo. We finally reached home. Iyi finally tuyikuyemo ubwo ni we reached home. Twageze mu rugo. Gusa iyi finally irahita ihindura ubusobanuro. We finally reached home. Byarangiye cyangwa se amaherezo twageze mu rugo cyangwa se byarangiye tugeze mu rugo. She finally passed the exam. Nyuma na nyuma yaje gutsinda ikizami. Byarangiye atsinze ikizami cyangwa se she passed the exam. Iyi finally tuyikuyemo twavuga yuko yatsinze ikizami. She passed the exam. Yatsinze ikizami. Then finally amaherezo nyuma na nyuma yaje gutsinda ikizami. She finally passed the exam. Normally mu bisanzwe cyangwa se mu buryo busanzwe, he normally comes late. Asanzwe aza akererewe. Asanzwe aza akererewe. He normally comes late. Asanzwe aza akererewe. Ni ukuvuga ngo he comes late. He comes late. Aza akererewe. Twashiramo iyi normally igahita ivuga yuko mu bisanzwe asanzwe aza akererewe. Then everything is normally okay here. Ni ukuvuga ngo buri kintu hano mu busanzwe kiba kimeze neza. Gusa uyu munsi sinzi ukuntu byagenze. Everything is normally okay here. Mu busanzwe hano ibintu biba bimeze neza. Mu busanzwe hano ibintu biba bimeze neza. Ushaka kuvuga nk'iyo saying, wakoresha iyi saying cyangwa se sentence. Everything is normally okay here. Ni ukuvuga ngo mu busanzwe hano ibintu biba bimeze neza. So recently like igihe gito gishize, igihe giheruka, like I recently bought a phone. Mperutse kugura telefone. I recently bought a phone. Ni ukuvuga ngo iyo mvuze ngo I bought a phone mba mvuze ngo naguze telefone. Gusa iyo niyongeyemo iyi adverb recently mba mvuze ngo mperutse kugura. I recently bought a phone. She recently moved to Kigali. Aherutse kwimukira i Kigali. She recently moved to Kigali. Aherutse kwimukira i Kigali. Then i recently tuyikuyemo twavuga ngo she moved to Kigali. Yimukiye i Kigali. Gusa i recently ihindura ubusobanuro. Ubwo ni she recently moved to Kigali. Aherutse kwimukira i Kigali. Previously, mbere. Ni ukuvuga ngo I had previously seen him. Nari narigeze kumubonaho mbere. So bwa mbere mubonye. I had previously seen him. Nari narigeze kumubonaho mbere. She previously worked here. Ni ukuvuga ngo mbere yakoze hano. Uriya muntu mbere yakoze hano. She previously worked here. Cyangwa se yigeze gukora hano mbere. She previously worked here. Yigeze gukora hano mbere. Currently ubu ngubu, magingo aya. Ni ukuvuga ngo I am currently studying. Ubu ndi kwiga. Ese muri iki gihe bimeze bite ko kutakiza? Ubu ngubu ndi kwiga kabisa, ibintu byarakomeye. I am currently studying. Ubu ngubu ndi kwiga. Muri iyi minsi uri gukora iki? I am currently studying. He is currently busy. Arahuze ubu ngubu. He is currently busy. Ushobora kuvuga ngo he is busy. Tuvuze ngo he is busy dukuyemo currently, tuba tuvuze ngo arahuze. Gusa nidushiramo iyi currently, urahita bivuga ubu ngubu arahuze. He is currently busy. Ubu ngubu arahuze. Basically. So basically ni nko kuvuga mu ncamake, like ni nko kuvuga ngo muri make. Basically muri make, we need more time. Muri make dukeneye ikindi gihe. Muri make dukeneye ikindi gihe. We need more time. Basically muri make, the plan is good. Muri make gahunda ni nziza cyangwa se umupango ni mwiza. Basically muri make, the plan is good. Muri make umupango ni mwiza. Exactly cyangwa se exactly, no kuvuga ngo exactly nko kuvuga ngo neza neza. Urugero, that is exactly what I wanted. That is what I wanted. Dukuyemo exactly, turavuga ngo that is what I wanted. Kiriya nicyo nashakaga. Kiriya nicyo nashakaga. Twashiramo iyi exactly, kiriya nicyo neza neza nashakaga. Nasaho nkuye kiriya nicyo neza neza nashakaga. You are exactly right. Iyo mvuze ngo you are right, bavuze ngo uri mukuri. You are right, uri mukuri. Gusa iyo mvuze ngo exactly, you are exactly right, bavuze ngo neza neza uri mukuri. Rwose ntago wibeshye, you are exactly right. Let's move on. Tugeze kuri absolutely. Absolutely. I absolutely agree with you. Iyi absolutely ni kuvuga ngo rwose, ajya umuntu avuga ibintu nyine ugahita wemera, ukatumubwira uti absolutely, I absolutely agree with you. Iyo uvuze ngo I agree with you, uvuze ngo ndemeranya nawe. Gusa iyo usemo I absolutely, uri kubikabiriza. Rwose ndemeranya nawe. I absolutely agree with you. Rwose ndemeranya nawe. She is absolutely amazing. She is, tuvuze ngo she is amazing, tukaba tuvuze ngo aratangaje. She umukobwa, she is amazing, cyangwa se she igitsina gore, she is amazing, aratangaje. Twashiraho i absolutely, she is absolutely amazing, tukaba tuvuze ngo rwose aratangaje. Rwose pe aratangaje. Then definitely. Definitely niyo dukoresha tuvuga ngo nta gushidikanya. Nta gushidikanya. I will definitely come. Nta gushidikanya nzaza. Nzaza nta gushidikanya. Ntimubigire ikibazo. Nta gushidikanya nzaza. I will definitely come. Nta gushidikanya rwose nzaza. This is definitely true. Iyo tuvuze ngo this is true, this is true, dukuyemo definitely, tuvuze ngo uku ni ukuri. Twashiramo definitely, nta gushidikanya rwose, uku ni ukuri. This is definitely true. Nta gushidikanya rwose, uku ni ukuri. Probably. Hari igihe abanyamerika iyo bari kuvuga rino jambo, hari igihe barivuga like probably, kugira ngo bavuge probably. Niyo mpamvu ukwiye no kwiga American accent. Probably. He will probably call later. Birashoboka yuko yaza guhamagara nyuma, ari buze guhamagara nyuma. Birashoboka yuko ari buze guhamagara nyuma. Ni ukuvuga ngo iyo tuvuze ngo he will call later, tuvuze ngo araza guhamagara nyuma. Later, nyuma. None iyo dushizemo iyi probably, tuba dushizemo gushidikanya. Like ashobora kuza guhamagara nyuma. He will, cyangwa se ahari araza guhamagara nyuma. He will probably call later. Ahari araza guhamagara nyuma, cyangwa se birashoboka yuko yaza guhamagara nyuma. We will probably win. Birashoboka yuko turi buze gutsinda. We will probably win. Birashoboka yuko turi buze gutsinda. Certainly, certainly, certainly. She will certainly help you. She will certainly help you. Rwose azagufasha. Ni ukuvuga ngo ibi certainly tuyikoresha tuvuga ukuri ijana ku ijana. He will certainly help you. Ni ukuvuga ngo azagufasha rwose. This will certainly work. Ibi rwose bizakora. Maybe ko ibyo naguhaye imbere bitakoze. But I do believe that this will certainly work. Ibi bizakora. Seriously. He seriously needs help. Ni ukuvuga ngo akeneye ubufasha bikomeye. Ni ukuvuga ngo iyo tuvuze ngo he needs help, tuvuze ngo akeneye ubufasha. Iyo twongeyemo seriously, tuvuze ngo akeneye ubufasha bikomeye. Are you seriously saying that? Are you? Ese urakomeje? Ibyo uri kubivuga ukomeje. Are you seriously saying that? Are you seriously saying that? Ese uri kubivuga ukomeje? Cyangwa uri gukina? Are you seriously saying that? Ese uri kubivuga ukomeje cyangwa uri gukina? Dufite honestly. Honestly, ntabwo dusoma honestly, dusoma honestly. Honestly, I was afraid. Honestly, I was afraid. Mvugishije ukuri. Honestly, mvugishije ukuri nari mfite ubwoba. Honestly, mvugishije ukuri, I was afraid. Mvugishije ukuri nari mfite ubwoba. Honestly, mvugishije ukuri, she did well. Yabikoze neza. Cyangwa se she did it. Let me add it. She did it well. Yabikoze neza. Ni she, wewe umukobwa. She did it well. Mvugishije ukuri rwose. Yabikoze neza. Patiently. Patiently. She waited patiently. Yategereje yihanganye. She waited patiently. Yategereje yihanganye. Please listen patiently. Umva wihanganye. Ahari wasanga warambiye gutegereza. Cyangwa se warambiye kumva. Kumva biri kubowa. Biri kubowaringa. Byakurambiye. Please listen patiently. Umva wihanganye cyangwa se tegera wihanganye. Thankfully. Thankfully ni kimwe na luckily. Kubw'amahirwe. Thankfully nobody was hurt. Kubw'amahirwe nta wakomeretse. Thankfully nobody was hurt. Kubw'amahirwe nta wakomeretse. Thankfully we arrived safely. Thankfully we arrived safely. Kubw'amahirwe twageze amahoro. We arrived safely. Dusoma safely. Fortunately. Fortunately kubw'amahirwe. Fortunately kubw'amahirwe. Fortunately kubw'amahirwe we found the keys. Kubw'amahirwe twabonye imfunguzo. Fortunately we found the keys. Kubw'amahirwe twabonye imfunguzo. Fortunately she recovered quickly. Kubw'amahirwe yakize vuba. Fortunately maybe ko hari ibintu yagombaga gukora. Then fortunately kubw'amahirwe she recovered quickly. Yakize vuba. Then roughly. The trip takes roughly 2 hours. Nakuvuga ngo the trip takes roughly 2 hours. Nakuvuga ngo urugendo rufata hafi amasaha abiri. Roughly the trip takes roughly 2 hours. Urugendo rufata hafi amasaha abiri. There were roughly 50 students. There were roughly 50 students. Ni ukuvuga ngo hari hafi abanyeshuri 50. Hari hafi abanyeshuri 50. There were roughly 50 students. Hari hafi abanyeshuri 50. So this is the end of our today's lesson. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please feel free to do it. Kubera ko iyo ubikoze ubasha kubona andi masomo meza yose tugenda dushiraho hano. Kwibutsa ko iyo turangije isomo duhita dushiraho quiz kuri website yacu ifitanye isano n'ibi tuba tumaze kwiga hano. So reba link muri comment section ukore iyi quiz. So ubuzima bwacu twiyemeje kubaho mu buzima bw'Icyongereza. Kwibutsa yuko no mu gihe ushoboye wajya dusigira comment y'uburyo isomo ryaba ryagufashije. Kandi wibuke uze dutangire twigane Icyongereza cyo kuvuga. So thank you for watching.